about how I managed to secure an internship that pays a whooping 45,000 per month. Total earnings 101,869. 100,000. Hi guys, hello, welcome to the village. My name is Boni. I create content around careers, education with a dose of reality check. If you are new to this village, a warm welcome to you. If you are a returning villager, thank you so much for your support. YouTube shows me that you share my content. I appreciate your comments. Sometimes though we don't agree all the time, but you know what, I love YouTube. I love this space. It's very peaceful. It's very peaceful, guys. Today we are looking at tech industry salaries. Yes, that's what we are looking at today, and this is going to be two parts because I'm gonna do part one today and then you can expect a part two later. So let me just share what I have for you today. In this video you can expect cloud engineer, content designer, senior developer, data analyst, data scientist, and a virtualization systems administrator. I didn't want to get my tongue twisted there, so this is why I had to check virtualization systems administrator. Okay guys, let's get straight to it. Let's start with cloud engineer. Okay, let's see what cloud engineer is saying. Oh my god, he is still within an internship. This is not even a job. And yeah, I remember very well when I received this payslip. It was when people did not believe that someone who's an intern, it was someone with analytical chemistry, they were earning around 34,000. Yes, I remember very well, and people were saying it's not true. Guys, if you haven't seen something, it's okay. It's okay. Maybe it hasn't happened for you during your career, or you haven't seen someone within your family or friends happening to them. You know, but it's okay. It's okay. And guys, before I get here, I'm just gonna show you proof of how much people, like the lengths that people go to send me their pay slips. Guys, people even send me their ID numbers so that we can get this pay slip, so that I can be able to open their pay slips. So that's how much, that's how far people are willing to share the pay slips with you guys, right? Because we are the ones who need the pay slips, not me. Yeah, but so when you see people saying that, hey, yeah, sometimes it's heartbreaking. Just imagine you even sent me an ID to open your pay slip, and then you read the comments. People can't believe that the pay slip is real. Anyway, guys, hi Boni, this is about how I managed to secure an internship that pays a whooping 45,000 per month. I would like to remain anonymous. Okay, cool. I wanted to share my story to inspire others who are considering a career change. I made a bold decision to transition from retail industry to the tech industry. Yo, this is gonna be interesting, guys. Stay tuned. To ensure I had a solid foundation, I enrolled at the University of Technology to study computer engineering / computer systems, even though I knew certifications could open doors for me. My ultimate goal was to land a job with one of the prestigious companies such as Facebook, Amazon, Apple, Netflix, or Google / Alphabet. Oh, guys, is vision, right? After 3 years of studying and completing an in-service training, I finally landed a 6-month internship with one of the big 5 companies. These companies have a habit of rejecting applicants before they even get an interview. So I persisted and applied repeatedly until I was given a chance. The internship pays 45,000 rands per month before any deductions. They even provide a relocation fee if you need to move, which typically amounts to around 8,000 rands. If you are relocating within South Africa, and cover, so they will cover your flights and hotel stay for a few days. They also cover your spouse and kids if you have any. Wow. From this point forward, your career is in your hands if you put in the effort. Your promotion opportunities are within your control. You can take the required exams and get promoted within 6 months, which leads to salary growth. Even after that, if you work hard, you can keep growing in your pace and your salary will also grow. I'm glad I made this change since it has made me catch up to some of my friends that have been working for years in the profession. Take care and keep inspiring. Okay, let's see how much this young man is earning. 45,417. That's the total earnings, and the net pay of 35,272. That's your cloud engineer. Okay, now let's see how much a content designer makes, right? I just had to put this payslip here, this content designer payslip. I was not sure, maybe we could have gone to marketing salaries, but it's okay. But what this person does, actually, they work for one of the big banks. I was disappointed, actually. This pay was disappointing, like, to be honest with you. But I've seen this company has a tendency of not paying people well. I've received a couple of payslips from the very same company, and they have a tendency of not paying people well. They need to do better. So anyway, this person is in content design. So what they do is the content that you see on the apps, on the communication, when the company, that particular company, is running campaigns, she's the one who designs that. So it's quite an intense job, you know, and I was disappointed when I saw this payslip. Okay, cash component 22,345. Yeah, guys, and then there's medical aid 2,300. Total earnings 2,365, and the net pay of 15,700. Okay, let's go to her qualifications, right? I did advise her to actually just consider digital marketing. Let's see. Right, okay, so she's got BA in politics and international relations from UJ, and then BA honors in politics, honors. Okay, so she's got honors and then a master's in research. Right, so her experience in this current position is roughly 2 years. Okay, so I can see, as much as she's got her qualifications, but I can see that it's not really related to the job. So this is why maybe her pay is low. But yeah, like I advised her maybe to specialize in digital marketing, like your SEO, your PPC. Guys, you've seen how much those people are earning. I've shared their payslip, and I will also leave it in the description box. You know, when you want to do digital marketing, stay away from, well, not stay away, but move from social media. Even if you started from social media, just move, okay? So yeah, guys, this company has a tendency of not paying people well. I've seen a few payslips, people who are doing totally different things within this company. They're not paying people well. Okay, data analyst, let's see. Hey, I've been watching your payslip videos on TikTok, and I saw you are currently talking about tech jobs. I always do. I'm also in the tech industry as a data analyst, 24-year-old black girl with 3 years experience. I hope this motivates someone. And she says she's been coding for the past 3 years. So she's got, yeah, she's currently on her 4th year, but yeah, she's been coding for 3 years. Let's see, data analyst, okay? Basic salary, 55,000 rands. Medical aid, 800 rands. And then there is my deductions. Total deductions 14,300 and a net pay of 40,664. Wow, this is good money. This is good money, guys, for someone who is 20, 23, 24 years old. The only thing I didn't get from her is her qualifications, right? But let's see what a data scientist. Actually, I have 2 data scientist payslips. This is one of them, but there's another one that I'll put on part 2. Okay. So, hi Boni, I've been seeing your TikToks about payslips and been requesting your followers for data scientists. Yes, I did. I'm a data scientist with 3 years experience, 26-year-old black male. Guys, what am I telling you now? People's race and age. I don't like it, but it's fine. It's good for context. But for me, I just feel like if I mention that when the person maybe graduated or years of experience, you can just kind of like estimate how old they are, you know. I think, does age matter? Okay, maybe that's the question I should ask. Does age matter when looking for a job? You know, because I just think if I mention the number of experience, that's enough. But now someone's age, I know race matters, it does matter. It's just that I just didn't want that energy on my platform. But I know, guys, I'm well aware, you know. I'm not gaslighting you when you want to know about race. I know about, I know what happens in work, in corporate and stuff, you know. So I'm not gaslighting you. But if someone mentions that they are black, or if they mention it in their explanation, okay, that's cool. I can mention it, but it's not my thing. Don't expect it. I'm a data scientist with 3 years experience. Okay, 26-year-old black male who holds a BSc Maths and Stats degree and a BSc honors in data science. Hopefully someone will be motivated to join data science. Hey, where do you think people get all this maths? People don't have the maths. Basic salary 65,000, pays you earn 17,000, then there's a deduction of UIF. Net pay is 47,459. What I've noticed, guys, we take salaries, they are quite high, but those people, they don't have benefits. You know, see here, there isn't even pension fund, you know. But anyway, yes, the net pay here is 47,459. Okay, now let's move to senior developer. Let's see what senior developer has for us. Hi Boni, I started working in 2018. It's been 5 years, but I move a lot. Oh my god, he mentions I've worked for FNB, I've worked for Standard Bank, I've worked for Finbond Mutual Bank, I've worked for Clientele, I've worked for Tech a Lot, Old Mutual, Capitec, and now, okay, we're not going to mention the name of the company. Right, so thank you for your channel, and it helps students to have an idea of what to expect. Black people have always had this thing of hiding salaries, and it doesn't help them. God bless and continue with your work. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Wow, what is his qualification? Did he tell us? Oh yes, he did tell us that he is a senior developer. He studied computer science from the University of Pretoria. Okay, every time I need to open this document, guys, I need to put a password. So guys, you see what I have to go through. Let me just, I'm not gonna edit this out. This is how legit, okay, this is how legit these payslips are. And you 7, so now I'm punching in the ID number. Yes, I'm punching in the ID number. Okay, cool. Let's see. Salary 89,480. Overtime 16 hours here, and it's 12,389. Then they pay tax 33,000. Total earnings 101,869. 100,000. Total deductions 34,000. Net pay of 67,836. That's a pay slip of a senior developer with BSc Computer Science and 5 years experience. Fantastic, guys. How is the village feeling about this one? I'm loving it, guys. I'm loving it. I am loving it. But guys, learn about my benefits. Let's look at Virtualization Systems Administrator. Right, guys, before, please like this video. Guys, if you are looking for an accredited coding school to get started with web development, you can check out Zaio Coding School. They have a free version, free courses with about 20 modules that you can try and see if web development is for you, and if not, you can move on. But if you like it, then you can stay. And the course is about 4,500. Yeah, the actual course. And what I like about Zaio is they will help you to get ready for your first job interview. That's their promise, that they can lend you your first job interview if you finish their courses. They have front end and back end and full stack. But you know why would I talk about this after talking about someone who went and did computer science from UP? It's because, guys, not everyone can get in and do computer science. But if you are someone who just wants to get started with coding through web development without a degree, you can do that. And I will link the link in the description box, and I'll link some people that I know that you can chat to on TikTok that have done online courses and they have jobs. They work for international companies. Anyway, guys, let's move now to Virtualization Systems Administrator. Let's see what he has for us. Let's see what he has for us. Hi Boni, I've been in IT from 2015 and got into virtualization in 2017. Okay, this one is gonna be long. Please listen carefully, guys. Now I'm gonna try and speak slowly. Okay, he wrote, I've been in IT from 2015 and got into the virtualization in 2017, where I was getting paid 16K. Since then, I've gotten a promotion and my money has been growing bit by bit from there. I could be getting more money if I could skill myself a bit more. I've lost out on good opportunities because I was not certified with vendors like Red Hat, for example, but I can't complain for now, looking at the way people are struggling financially. But I feel like, honestly, I'm good with my annual of 650K. In our industry, is more about what you can do more than a degree. Okay, so we know that. We know it's all about the skill, guys. The skill will always overpower a formal education, but it does not hurt to have one. Don't misquote us here, okay? If I were to go back to the management routes and be head of a department, for example, then a formal qualification is mandatory. But if I want to stay technical, I can just continue upskilling myself, and I should increase my salary as I progress. Okay, so his qualifications name, post-matric, formally I have higher certificates in IT. I've also done few international certifications for different vendors like Microsoft, CompTIA and VMware. Okay, guys, so cash component 44,000, and yeah, basically that's what it is. And then they've got medical aid 3,300, total earnings 44,000, deductions 12K, and the net pay of 31,130. I must say he's got 7 years experience with NQF5. Yeah, I think it's a good one, guys. I think it's a good one. I wonder how much he would be earning if maybe he had a degree. I really wonder. Do you have an idea, guys? Please let me know in the comment section if you have an idea of how much this person could be earning if he had a degree. And the salary really like differs if we are both skilled, but I have a certificate and you have a degree, you know. Yeah, let's talk openly about these things, okay? For now, guys, I think we've come to the end of this video. Let me just tell you what you can expect on the next video. Please make sure you subscribe. I have another data scientist, and then I have an industrial automation engineer, IT project manager, software engineer, someone work in tech sales, a web developer, and a solutions architect. Make sure that you subscribe, guys, so that you can get these payslips, tech industry payslips part 2. For now, I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.